We're on our way to Anaimalai Mountain. Today we are currently at Anaimalai Mountain. It's a strange name. But today I'm going to record the entire journey. But, well, it's a little hard. And it would be too long to record the entire journey. So enjoy me taking this time lapse of me going up this very, very, very tall mountain. But little did I know, I had brought no water and I would have to be dehydrated for the rest of the trip. Hello, Pepper. We're at the top, finally. After like a long time of walking, we're finally at the top. Okay, 3, 2, 1. So, yeah, we're very far. We're nearly above the clouds. Clouds are like 3 meters away. Okay, just kidding, but we're very high up. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. So, enjoy this full time lapse of me going back down. Basically it. So, please subscribe and hit that like button, and check out our shorts channel too. We do lots of fun video ideas on there. Joshua signing out. Yeah. Nature. Be a good job.